It's here. This is what I've been waiting for about 2 years now, I think, officially. Because this is Wealthsimple's Cashback Black Card. Let's unbox it. Okay, so this is it. This is the Wealthsimple Cash Card. And no joke, I've been waiting 2 years for Wealthsimple to release this card. And so I'm very excited to actually open it up and see what it looks like. That didn't work. Yeah. It's here. Oh my God. This looks sharp. It is a plastic card, I can see and feel that. It's a nice little envelope, you know, it's not as fancy and flashy as Coho's, that's okay. But this card, ooh, look at that. That is fine. I love this. I love just the pure matte black with the sparkly gold. The design aspects on this is flawless. I do wish this card was metal because the metal just gives it that extra bit of luxury feeling. But ultimately though, I'm really happy with the way this card looks. Wealthsimple Cash is their peer-to-peer banking system. And this card here acts like a prepaid Visa card or a prepaid debit card. So you can put money into your Wealthsimple Cash account and you can spend with this card wherever you want. Now, if you want to get your very own Wealthsimple Cash Card and get the free Wealthsimple Cash app, guess what? You can get 10 bucks if you sign up using my link in the comments below. Click the link there to get your free $10 and your free black Wealthsimple Cash Card. And honestly, I know that Coho, when I bring out their pink and gold metal card, it draws eyes, but I think this all black with the circular gold W is really gonna draw people's eyes right to this black card. And I think this is really gonna become one of my most favorite cards to use. And the best part about Wealthsimple Cash is that every weekend, they give you 5% cash back on takeout and I think maybe groceries too. There's a lot of perks to using this card and Wealthsimple is constantly rolling out more and more features. I'm very excited to see where Wealthsimple goes and what else they're gonna add to this card because this card is flashy. This card comes with no fees, so you don't pay anything monthly. You don't pay anything to deposit or withdraw off your Wealthsimple Cash account. So I really love that feature because Wealthsimple makes a little bit of money off of the Visa credit card processing fees, which is why they can bring you cards like this for free. Plus, to add this card to Wealthsimple's amazing lineup of products like Wealthsimple Invest, Crypto, Save, which allows you to earn interest on money that you're holding, I really feel like Wealthsimple is going to put the big banks in Canada out of business. I say that with complete seriousness because what they're doing is exactly that. They are trying to provide you what the banks do, and with a better looking app, by the way, and they try to provide that without any fees, or with at least minimal fees as low as possible. What do you think? Do you like this card? Would you get this card? Let me know what you think, and how does this compare to the Coho card? Because both of these cards are kind of the two leading prepaid Visa cards in Canada. And so it's another good point to note is that you do not get a credit check when you get this Wealthsimple card. Because it's a prepaid Visa card, they don't do any credit checks, so your credit is gonna be okay if you get this card. The only thing you have with this card to spend is whatever you put on it. So it's impossible to go into extra debt with using this card, unless of course you transfer money from like a line of credit or something, but that's another story. Now, if you liked this unboxing and you want to see me unbox some more credit cards, let me know which card you want to see in the comments below and I'll be sure to get access to that card for you. And if this is your first time visiting Money with Mark, hit the subscribe button down below this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. This card is pretty flashy. Definitely plastic though.